Hey Steve, is that you? So I've really been thinking about Pastor Bill's sermon. What's your opinion? Are you post-trib or pre-trib? I've seen you around the church, and I was wondering if you want to sit down and talk and maybe connect better. Like this Thursday, will that work for you? What do you think about that worship song we had today? That drummer was just like... Are you even listening to me? So are you more of a Chicago style or New York style pizza? Have you read any good devotionals lately? Steve? Is this a bad time?